The Colorful Kingdom, a whimsical adventure in the land of colors, in a magical realm far beyond the reach of ordinary lands, where rainbows painted the sky and hues danced in harmony. There existed the Colorful Kingdom. In this enchanting realm, colors were not just shades, they were living beings, each with its unique personality and role in the kingdom. The Colorful Kingdom was ruled by King Chroma and Queen Vivid, the regal couple whose vibrant love gave life to every corner of their domain. Their castle, perched on a hill, sparkled with a myriad of colors that reflected the harmony of their kingdom. One day, a mischievous duo of colors named Hue and Saturation decided to play a game of hide and seek. Hue, a lively and bold color, loved to stand out, while Saturation, a calm and soothing color, preferred to blend in. Together, they would embark on an adventure that would take them to the farthest corners of the Colorful Kingdom. As Hue and Saturation frolicked through the meadows of verdant green and soared over the sapphire sky, their laughter echoed through the realm. Little did they know that their game would lead them to a mysterious colorless canyon, a place where colors seemed to lose their magic. In the heart of the colorless canyon stood a colorless creature named Shade, whose dull appearance contrasted sharply with the vibrant surroundings of the Colorful Kingdom. Shade, lonely and misunderstood, longed to experience the joy and liveliness that colors brought to others. Hue and Saturation, intrigued by the colorless canyon, decided to explore its depths. As they approached Shade, they sensed a wave of sadness emanating from the colorless creature. "Hello, Shade. We're Hue and Saturation from the Colorful Kingdom. Why does this canyon seem so gloomy?" inquired Hue, his lively tone contrasting with the somber surroundings. Shade, initially hesitant, opened up to the colorful duo. "I've never experienced the joy of colors. I've always felt left out, as if I don't belong in this magical kingdom. I've always wished to understand the beauty of colors and be a part of the lively dance they share." Hue, filled with empathy, looked at Saturation, and together they hatched a plan. "Shade, we're going to show you the wonders of the Colorful Kingdom. You're not alone, and you're as much a part of this realm as any other color. Let's embark on a journey together and bring vibrancy to the colorless canyon." And so, the trio set out on a quest to infuse life and color into the colorless canyon. Hue, with his lively spirit, danced around the canyon, leaving streaks of red, orange, and yellow. Saturation, with her calming touch, brushed the walls with shades of blue, green, and indigo. As the colors merged and blended, the colorless canyon transformed into a kaleidoscope of hues. The once somber surroundings now radiated with the magic of the Colorful Kingdom. Shade, mesmerized by the vibrant spectacle, felt a warmth and belonging she had never experienced before. News of the transformation reached King Chroma and Queen Vivid, who were overjoyed by the newfound harmony in the colorless canyon. They invited Hue, Saturation, and Shade to the royal castle to celebrate their accomplishment. At the castle, the royal couple praised the trio for their creativity and compassion. "Hue and Saturation, your willingness to share your colors with Shade has brought a new chapter of joy to the Colorful Kingdom. Shade, you are now an integral part of this realm, and your unique presence has enriched our kingdom in ways we could never have imagined." To commemorate their adventure, King Chroma and Queen Vivid organized a grand festival in the colorless canyon. Colors from every corner of the kingdom gathered to celebrate the unity and friendship that had blossomed among Hue, Saturation, and Shade. As the festival reached its peak, a magical event occurred, the birth of a new color named Harmony. Harmony, a blend of all the colors in the kingdom, symbolized the unity and understanding that had flourished in the colorless canyon. The Colorful Kingdom, now more vibrant and harmonious than ever, continued to be a beacon of joy for all who inhabited it. Hue, Saturation, Shade, and Harmony became the living embodiment of the kingdom's motto, where colors dance and friendships enhance the beauty of every hue. And so, the tale of Hue, Saturation, Shade, and Harmony became a cherished legend in the Colorful Kingdom, passed down through generations. The realm thrived with the magic of friendship and acceptance, a testament to the transformative power of colors and the enduring spirit of unity in the enchanting land of colors.